Buy new Mi electric cycle with luxury features and 163 kilometers mileage, available at affordable price. If you are thinking of buying a bicycle for commuting or for any work, then in this article today we have brought a tremendous bicycle from the Mi brand for all of you. This bicycle is seen with very premium quality features and its design is very good, so let's talk in detail about this bicycle. If we talk about the features available in this Mi electric cycle, then Mi electric cycle is seen with very premium and high quality features, such as in this electric cycle you will get to see a 4.5-inch LED screen which will be a touch screen. You will see all the features like Google Map and time date alarm in this touch screen, and in this electric cycle you will get to see Bluetooth connectivity features which will connect to your phone. Now if we talk about the range available in this electric cycle, then this electric cycle of Mi gives a range of 152 kilometers. This electric cycle takes about 4 hours to be fully charged once, and its battery comes with 3.5 kilowatts. There is also a second variant of this in which you will get to see a battery of 4 kilowatts and we can get mileage of up to 170 kilometers in it. Now if we talk about the price of this electric cycle, then no official launch date or price has been revealed by Mi about Mi or electric cycle yet. But it is expected that it can be launched in 2026 and its starting price will be above 40,000 rupees.